Okay, hello, this is talking about the 2015 past paper, math reading, and then which is the 0266, okay, which is talking about the first question is talking about the grid square of the 0266, okay, let's move to there. 0266, right here, which is talking about right here. Okay, 0266. Let me double check. Yes, 0266 is right here. Okay, so what can you find in what cannot be found in this grid square? Can you find power 9? Power 9 is right here. Okay, can you see the power 9 is right here? Oh, sorry. The power 9 is right here, and then the monastery and also the temple is right here. Okay, declared monument, I think it should be here. Can you see declared monument? Okay, and then there's no church, so the first answer should be dog. Okay, the first answer should be dog. Okay, and then which the wall photograph. This one actually I have talked about this before. Okay, yeah, in the skill based exercise, and then wait a minute, and then you can see right here there's an airport, and then there's some sediment right here. Okay, so time after time it is talking about we should find the similar things from here, and also it is providing the location that we should sit on. Okay, which is around here. 019667 66 Holloway 66, yeah, somewhere like here. So from here, maybe my hand is too large, I use another hand. Okay, yeah, and you can see from this side, you can see there's a airport, showing an airport, and then you can see some sediment right here. Okay, yeah, so this one is talking about the airport, and this one is talking about the sediment, and then you can see right here, then which is more or less similar. So let's get back to the map. The map should be, if we are facing this way, so it should be facing the north. Okay, and then towards this side, because somewhat we can see a lot of sediment. Okay, it should be towards this side. Okay, so I think apart from the airport, apart from the deposition, and then we can find, it's going this way, so it should be more or less northwest. Okay, then number 3, the area of golf course of 270 and 0271, and also 0370 and also 0371 is approximately how much? Is approximately how much? Okay, but it's quite weird that it's shown in the m square unit. Okay, so it's a bit weird, but no need to afraid, because indeed I have told you how to calculate it. Okay, indeed 1 km, let me change to red color first. 1 km equals to 1000 times 1000 m, isn't it? Okay, 係咪1000乘1000先 ？Okay, then so it should be belongs to 1 million m square. Okay, so right here, which is talking about 9% of the square, and then 12% of the square, and then 50% of the square, and then 80% of the square. So accordingly, you can just you know what I'm going to do. Okay, but I really forget to bring my square the ruler that I given you. Okay, my bad. Okay, but anyway, if you can count the number of the square by the ruler, I think you can count, which is about 12 square. So the answer should be boy. Okay, the answer should be boy. And then number 4. Okay, average gradient from the 4H2, the spot height of the 4H2. Okay, and then to the which is right here, which should be the 婆計山啊 okay, which should be here 啊。Get out. Which should be here. Okay, and then going to the what is it? The highway, okay, Lantau Highway, okay, which is talking about the trail, okay. So what is the average gradient? What is the average gradient? What is the average gradient? I think it should be for the vertical differences. It should be again this equation vertical over horizontal lah. Okay, for here it should be 482 minus 20 because if you can see there, let me change to the camera again. You can see the 100 is right here, and then 80, 60. This one is 60, is almost the same as the trail, okay, and 40 and 20. So accordingly, it should be 20, around 20. So it should be minus 20, and then how to calculate the length of the trail. I think I have calculated around 6 cm, okay, and then times the 200. So the answer, it should be 1200 over 462, okay. So accordingly, it should be boy, okay. Accordingly, it should be boy. How about C? Which of the following are intervisible with, okay? How come this recently in these few years all the things are intervisible? Okay. I have imparted the answer to you indeed. Okay. So it's also from here. Then first of all, let me fix the things a bit lah. Okay. First of all, we are having 搏到人. Okay. Any obstacle in between these two? I don't think so. Okay. And then how about 574? It's also okay in between. There are not much obstacle right here. And then how about the 287 peak? Also okay, a lot much obstacle right here. So all the things is fine. Okay. So it is all intervisible. Okay. So dot. Okay. All of them are okay. Yeah. And then which of the following are the location advantage of the Asian Expo? Okay, Asian World Expo. Okay, MTR station nearby. I think so lah. Definitely. Can you see the? Can you find the housing estate nearby? It's quite funny. Okay. It refers to here. Okay. Yeah, the World Expo. Can you find a public estate next to it? Yes, but very far away, Dongchong lor. Okay, very far away. So I don't think this is a good reason. Okay, while compared with the leisure facilities, just like golf course, and then and also MTR station nearby, which is exactly next to it. Okay, then I think it should be 1 and 3 only. 1 and 3 only, which is boy. Okay. And then, yeah, because this one correct, this one correct, this one not correct. And then which of the following are the favorable factor of the formation of mud flat in grid square 0167? 0167. Which should be here. We should be here, 0167. 01 like this, 67 like this. Okay, then located in a bay, isn't it? Is it in a bay? Quite sure lah. 東涌 bay, come on. Okay, and then the depth of water less than 5 meters. Truly, because you can see the contour line is right here, so it is the whole thing is higher than, shallower than 5 meters. Okay, and then proximity to the river mouth, isn't it a river mouth? Okay, 呢條係咪河口啊？Okay, you can find the river on top of it. So all of them are correct. The answer should be dog. Okay, and then yeah, let's change it a bit and mark it for you. This one okay, this one okay, this one okay. So it should be dog. Okay, how about number 8, which is talking about 9x66. 9x66 right here. Okay, 9x66 right here. 山石灣. Okay, 深石村. Okay. What are the factors that restricting the agricultural development in 9x66? Low accessibility, isn't it? I think so. Yeah. How about number 2? The relief is there's inadequate flatland, isn't it? It's quite limited flatland for real. Okay, and then you can find a lot of contour line right here. So number 2 is also correct. How about number 3? Lack of water resource. I don't think so, because there's a lot of water, a lot of river passing through there. Okay, so number 1 and 2. Okay, number 1 and 2. Okay, so this is the end of the 2015 past paper. Bye bye.